Today we learn sight words. If you latest videos, so please subscribe the channel for more educational videos. So let's start. Sight words. Today we will learn two-letter sight words. Sight words helps us in reading and writing. I and in, meaning may. Of, of, meaning ka, ke, ki. To, meaning ko. Is, meaning hai. It, meaning ye. He, meaning wo. On, meaning par. As, meaning जैसे. At, meaning पर. Be, meaning होना. Or, meaning या. By, meaning जरिए. Meaning हम. An, meaning एक. Do, meaning करना. Up, meaning ऊपर. So, meaning ऐसा, ताकि, कि, इसलिए. Go, meaning जाना. No, meaning नहीं. My, meaning मेरा. Meaning हूँ. If, meaning अगर. Dear viewers, please subscribe our YouTube channel and like, share our videos. Thank you.